Hi Stevie and Craigsy. I've pulled up the chords for the two songs you recommended. Think about the one from Muse. This instrument doesn't really mimic that instrument very well. I thought there would be an electric piano, but so I'll stick with the main piano. I can mimic what I've heard there. It's not really us. I think if I was going to do this, I'd just play it myself.
Birds in the sky, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Reeds drifting by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom in the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life.
I don't know what you think. Maybe we could try it the way they do it, but I'm not very good at that. The other one you sent, I don't really know it.
Closing time, open all the doors and let you out into this world. Closing time, turn off all the lights and over every boy and girl. Closing time, one last call for alcohol, so finish your whiskey or beer. Closing time, you don't have to go home, but you can stay here. I know I want to take me home. I know I want to take me home. I know I want to take me home. Take me home.
So I think that my style of playing a bit slower fits the lyrics a bit better. I don't think at closing time I'd be singing quite that loud. We could try it quicker. Or whichever. Now, to make this video worthwhile, why don't I try another Elton John after Craigsy said that Elton John was okay. What do you reckon?
She packed my bags last night pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite. I miss the earth so much, I miss my life. It's lonely out in space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna be a long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man you think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse up here alone.
I'll tell you what I was going to play for you. See if I can find the dots. One that I think Cragsy could really put his hand to, make his own. So what's that? Is it the Knight Rider bass? Knight Rider. Doo-doo, doo-doo. What do you reckon, Cragsy? I could go on for a short while. I'll let you have a listen to those, and I look forward to your next recommendations.